Welcome to a brief demonstration of IBM SPSS complex samples. An inherent assumption of analytical procedures in traditional software packages is that the observations in a data file represent a simple random sample from a population of interest. For an increasing number of companies and researchers who are finding it both cost-effective and convenient to obtain samples in a more structured way, this assumption does not hold true. IBM SPSS Complex Samples module allows users to address this issue by selecting a sample according to a complex design and incorporate the design specifications into the data analysis, ensuring that the results are valid. In this example, a company that sells magazine subscriptions traditionally sends monthly mailings to a purchase database of names. The response rate is typically low, so you need to find a way to better target prospective customers. One suggestion is to focus mailings on people with newspaper subscriptions on the assumption that people who read newspapers are more likely to subscribe to magazines. We will use the complex samples crosstab procedure to test this theory by constructing a 2x2 table of newspaper subscription by response and computing the relative risk that a person with a newspaper subscription will respond to the mailing. To run a complex sample crosstab, we go to Analyze, Complex Samples, Crosstabs. Browse to the appropriate complex sample plan, in this case demo.cs plan. Continue. The row variable in this case will be newspaper subscription, and the column variable is response. In addition, there is some interest in seeing the results broken down by income categories, so select income category in thousands and add it as a subpopulation variable. Now we are going to want to add some statistics to this crosstab. Click Statistics. We want to look at row percent, odds ratio and relative risk in the summaries. Click Continue, and now we're ready to produce the crosstabs. This produces a cross-tabulation table and risk estimate for newspaper subscription by response. Separate tables with results split by income category in thousands are also created. In addition, it also produces a risk estimate, highlighting both an odds ratio and a relative risk, as well as a risk estimate by subpopulation, which in this case was income category. In this example, using complex samples crosstabs risk estimates, it shows that we can increase the response rate to direct mailings by targeting newspaper subscribers. Further, there is some evidence that the risk estimates may not be constant across income category, so we may be able to increase the response rate even more by targeting lower income newspaper subscribers. This concludes our demonstration. We have highlighted one of the many capabilities of the IBM SPSS complex samples in this demonstration. To learn more, please contact an IBM sales representative or visit our website.